friends, today I'll show you how to make a quick, elegant bun. So we will start by brushing our hair. I'll use some smoothing product. This is my second day hair. Then I'll tie my hair into a low ponytail. Last time I will pull my hair halfway through, then bringing my fingers through the elastic, we want to grab the ends, twisting it lightly, we want to wrap it around our bun. Then grabbing the ends, you want to bring it through the elastic and loop created like I'm showing, and pull it, leaving the ends out like that. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's quick, low, elegant bun. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel for more. Love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!